Have you ever used Hot Reload on a Flutter app? It's magic, right? You save your code and your app instantly updates. The support for this just dropped in master for the web server environment. Now, what is the Flutter web server environment? Why should you care? And what cool things can you do with it? When you run Flutter, you usually have a target device, whether that is your phone, desktop, or your browser. The web server environment doesn't need that. It runs in headless mode. What the web server option will do is it will expose a URL and port. When you open this in a browser, the web server will serve the files. In this specific case, it should feel almost exactly like you are running Flutter and targeting the web. But it's cooler than that. Now, imagine you are developing your app. You run it with the web server argument with the host of 0.0.0.0 and the port of 8080. You can now use any device in your local network that has a browser. You simply need to input the IP and port of the computer running the web server. You should now see your app being developed locally and served from a different machine. But what about that tasty hot reload? Currently, with the latest version of Flutter in the master channel, you will have support for both hot reload and hot restart. That means that now you can have 5 different devices connected to the web server IP and port, and when you make changes, all your connected devices will see that change instantly while maintaining state. Now you can actually take this even further. Let's take an inside look at our Flutter course. For every user who uses our course, we spin up their very own web server. This means they can develop and preview anything they are doing, fully server-side. In essence, we give every person in our course their own development environment customized for learning. You can actually try this for free at hungrimind.com, but if you don't care about that, you can learn MVVM with this video.